The Genesis G90 offers cutting-edge automatic door functions for both front and rear passengers. To lock and unlock your G90 doors remotely, use the included Smart Key Fob when it is within range. Pull the door handle to open the door and ensure your hand does not touch the door lock/unlock sensor again, as that might unintentionally relock the doors. Your G90 can also be set to automatically detect your key fob when it gets within range, and then automatically unlock the vehicle doors. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and select or deselect Approach Unlock. The G90's doors can also be set to initially unlock only the driver's side front door. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and select or deselect to press Unlock. To unlock the remaining doors after the driver's, press Unlock again on the key fob or touch the sensor on the driver's side door handle. Your G90 is also equipped with automatic auto-close door functions. Rear passengers can automatically close their corresponding rear door by pressing the button on their side of the rear central armrest controller. Front passengers have control over the front and rear automatic doors on each corresponding side. By pressing these buttons on the driver's side, the front or rear doors on the left side of the G90 can be auto-closed. And by pressing these buttons on the front passenger's side, the front or rear doors on the right side of the G90 can be auto-closed. All four doors can also be auto-closed through the infotainment screen. In the event of a complete power failure, the doors of the G90 can still be locked and unlocked, and opened and closed using traditional mechanical means. Begin by pressing on the forward area of the door handle and pull the handle out. Then remove the cover under the rear part of the door handle. Insert the mechanical key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise to lock or counterclockwise to unlock the door. After unlocking with the mechanical key, remove the key and then pull the door handle fully to open. If the doors do not open from the inside due to battery discharge or vehicle breakdown, pull the emergency open lever under the door pocket twice to manually open the door. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.